Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add Siri shortcuts to the Momento application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the Siri shortcuts section, and here you can find 4 preset options: view memories, view recent moment, save recent moment as GIF, save recent moment as video. If you want to add it to Siri, just tap on the button, and here you can see that if you say the phrase "Hey Siri, view memories," Siri will view the memories in this application. So tap on the done button to add this Siri shortcut, and add the other ones if you feel like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.